Hi Larry, Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Genesis. Now we've got the G80s, we've got Genesis left on the lot, so just give me a call and we'll funnel down and find out exactly what you're looking for, package, color, but the most important thing you need to know is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. Of course, you've got the 5-year or 60,000 new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.